My really good friend told me you have to go to this event. The energy it's like wildfire.
MasterMind being in San Diego every year is amazing because it is the perfect location for all of us to come together.
I've been coming here 15 masterminds, and every time I'm here I get a little something extra.
MasterMind is a different experience. MasterMind is about you improve the asset of you. That's the greatest business decision you can make.
The more you grow in your mind and in your heart, the better you will do with your business.
The energy is amazing, and just being able to be surrounded by such positive, like-minded people, there's nothing like it.
This is the one family vacation every year that just is on the books. First week in August. MasterMind is amazing.
It is upbeat, it is hype.
You get out of your seats and what? MasterMind, come on!
They get you excited, they're jumping up and down, they just bring the energy into the room.
It's truly changed my life. This community has changed my life.
This is your whole life that's on stage here.
I would definitely describe it as life-changing. It's like everyone is so on fire, and I think that's so inspiring.
It helps me be the best person that I can be.
Can't even describe how it's changed my life.